In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move files from Dropbox to a USB drive. So what we're first going to do is plug in our USB drive into our laptop or computer. Once it's plugged in, Windows may recognize the drive and you will then be able to access it. Now, if not, you need to go to File Explorer at the bottom. And once you've opened it, go to this PC. Here, once you're on this PC, you can then double click on your USB drive and just have it open and ready. Now on Dropbox, we need to go to Home, and then you need to go to All Files. Once you're on All Files, you can click on this button here and it will highlight all of them. And then you'll get a download button appear. You can then go ahead and click download. It will then start the download of these files and it will download as a .zip file. You can find these files in your downloads, or if you're on Chrome, click show in folder. So what we can do is right click on this zip file, then click copy. And you can then go ahead and find your USB drive. So if you go to this PC, you can access your drive, right click, and then click paste. Now, once you've done that, what I would do is right click on the zip file again, then click extract all, and then extract. And then you can extract all of your files straight onto the USB. And now we've just got the folder full of our Dropbox files on a USB drive. Click on the upwards arrow in the bottom right click on your USB icon, and then make sure you eject it.